Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and my husband and I are in the middle of making a rec room out in our warehouse. We wanted something that would help to cut down on noise for our neighbors, but also be aesthetically pleasing. That's when we discovered these acoustic, sound-absorbing wall panels from Cazacomzy. The fluted design on these is beautiful for decor, of course, and thanks to the high-density polyester fiber on the back of these and the medium-density moisture-resistant panel that has wood grain veneer on the top, you don't have to use those super ugly foam pieces on your walls. I got the straight line white oak panels. These have a beautiful looking texture to them, and I love the color. It fits in with the rest of the scheme in our rec room. These panels are just over 47 inches by about 23.5 inches, and you can place them vertically or horizontally, just depending on what look you're going for. We chose to use black drywall screws to place them on our walls, and you can see that they're inset inside the panel itself, and they just sort of blend in. These are good quality and have a nice heft to them, so just keep that in mind with whatever you choose to hang them with on your walls. We're still in the middle of making our rec room complete, but we are so pleased with how amazing these panels look and work, and that's our point of view.